Hey guys, right now, just hiking in the woods. Me and my friend Tom here.
Hi.
We're hiking in the woods, taking a nice hike. It's a beautiful day. So today is supposed to be like in the high of the 70s, so that's really nice. So yeah, we're just taking a nice hike, and you can see a great view from up here too. So it's a nice trail. It's not bad actually. Yeah, up here it's not too bad actually. It's pretty nice.
Hills are so hard to climb.
Yeah, these hills are pretty tough. And you gotta be careful with all the rocks too, because there's a lot of rocks going up. But other than that though, it's not bad. You definitely get a nice view and everything from up here. It's really nice. But yeah, this is the Jenny Jump Trail, so it's a nice trail. Definitely see a lot from up here. I mean, like at some areas you can, like when you go on top of a rock or something, you can definitely see a lot. You can't really see that much from where we're at right now, but like if you get to a point where there's a nice view, you can really see a lot. The Delaware War Gap and everything. So yeah, it's really nice. Perfect day to go hiking too. Couldn't be a better day, I feel like, because it's not too hot, not too cold. It's just right. It's a perfect day.
I think this place was named after a girl named Jenny who jumped to her death after her father told her to jump from the Indians.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember you told me about that. It's pretty sad.
That's what they called it.
Yeah.
We dedicated the whole place to her.
Yep. Yeah, it's not too bad over here. There's just a lot of rocks going downhill. That's what you have to watch out for, is going over the rocks. Like, you gotta be careful with snakes and everything like that. Hopefully it's just gardener snakes.
I don't think they really bother you.
Yeah, as long as you don't bother them, they won't really bother you, so it should be fine. It's a great hiking trail. Perfect. Nice and quiet too.
Away from the busy towns and
Exactly, yeah.
down in Washington.
Exactly, yeah.
Similar. It's so busy.
Yep. Oh wow. Some of these big trees got knocked down, I can see over here. And now we're heading downhill. Oh wow, you can see a lot of the roots from these trees. Not bad though, I must say. This trail is not bad. It's better than at Stevens State Park. At Stevens State Park, you can't really see a great view.
Less rocks there.
Exactly, yeah. Over here, there's less rocks. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video right there. So I'll see you guys later.